Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some Bloom pours, and I'm going to be using my Primal Flow pre-mixed ready to pour paints in Cobalt Turquoise and Plum Perfect. I love these paints because all you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to pour. You don't have to do any mixing. I'm going to be repouring these wooden cutouts. I wasn't too happy with how they turned out. So what I did is just poured a little bit of that Cobalt Turquoise, tilted my little cutout here just like I would a paint pour to make sure everything was covered, added some of that Plum Perfect, and then went in with my cell activator, which is 1 teaspoon Amsterdam titanium white acrylic paint to 2 3/4 tablespoons Floetrol. And then I just blow that white over my colors. I have a little bit of a different camera angle here so you guys can get a better look on the process. And I am blowing pretty hard. I'm using quite a bit of lung power when I move that white around because the white is on the thicker side. You don't want to add water to it. It works perfectly when you mix it up. 1 teaspoon Amsterdam titanium white to 2 3/4 tablespoons Floetrol. So same thing on this one, just flooded my little cutout here with the Cobalt Turquoise, tilted it until everything was nice and covered, added some Plum Perfect, and went in with my cell activator, and now I'm going to blow that white over my colors. See, just like that. And if you guys want to see a video on exactly how to mix the cell activator, I will link that video down below in the description, and I'll put an iCard right here in the corner. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. I just cut it out of this video to save time because I have a couple other videos that show my process. It does take a few minutes for the cells to develop, so what I like to do is just kind of put them to the side and then wait and they'll start developing. But check it out, this is the first one. I love the outer lip of this one. It turned out really fun. And the second one, that's this one here. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys give this technique a try. It's a lot of fun, and I'll link Primal Flow paints information down below in the description if you want to check out their paints and give them a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, or another thing that would help me out is if you go watch a few more of my other videos or even a playlist. I will link my Bloom Technique playlist down below and put an iCard right here. Click that and it'll take you straight to the video. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on Friday. Bye.